Copying and pasting curves in Hawkeye from within a project is not a terribly difficult task. In this example, let's say that this red curve is our offset well, but it's coming from the same wellhead as our actual and our plan 1. We want to create a second wellhead and copy this offset well into this new wellhead. All you need to do is right click on the parent structure / pad and then select add new slot wellhead. You would give this new wellhead a name and make sure that you've put in the proper elevation and default RKB or Kelly height for this wellhead. I'm going to create a survey curve under this new slot and I'm going to call it offset 1. The other very important thing about creating new slots is that you need to make sure that the location is correct. I can define a slot's location either by eastings and northings, latitudes and longitude, or local offsets from the reference slot. In this case, I'm going to use a local offset. I'm going to say that this slot is 25 feet to the east and 25 feet to the north of my current reference slot, which is this one in bold in my data tree. When I'm ready, I will hit OK. And as you can see, I have a second wellhead with the offset well. However, the offset well here doesn't contain any information. I need to copy it from here. To do that, I simply right click on the well and then select copy this curve, and then right click on the new well and then select paste to this curve. The next step would be to delete the old well by right clicking on it and then selecting delete this curve, and then I'm left with my offset well coming from a separate wellhead with which I can run my anti-collision and proximity tools to compare distances. It should be noted that when pasting over curves, there is no undo button. So when you're pasting over curves that have existing survey information, please be careful and confirm that you're pasting over the right curve.